Dear learners, welcome to Basics of Arabic Language lectures. Dear learners, in these lectures, you are learning some very important Arabic words that you can use in everyday life situations. Learning these words is not difficult, provided you are able to listen these words carefully, repeat them as many times as you can, and follow the proper pronunciation of these words. So I hope you are able to follow the lecture properly and learn these words correctly. So now I start these words one by one and you will gain a lot. So the first word I am going to teach in this lecture is wife. It starts with Arabic alphabet wad, wife. What is the meaning of wife? Guest. In Arabic, guest is wife. What is a little bit difficult to pronounce. Wad. Similarly, wad, swad, wad. These are the words which fall in the category of difficult words to pronounce. But I hope with practice you can master it. So the word starts with wad, wife. Try to say it as many times as you can. Now the next Arabic word is very simple. Perhaps you are using it, in fact, a little in a slightly modified way you are using this word. And the word is dukkan. Dukkan means shop. Dukkan. Many people in Hindi and Urdu, call dukkan. In Arabic, same word. In Arabic tone, it's dukkan. Dukkan is shop. Dukkan, shop. Very easy to remember? Yes, very easy. Now the next word is maqha. So what is the meaning of maqha? Maqha, I have given you an Arabic word, qahwa. I hope you recall it. Qahwa, shay, qahwa. Shay is tea, qahwa is coffee. Now maqha is related to qahwa. So qahwa is coffee. Now maqha is a place where you have coffee. So coffee house in Arabic is maqha. Very simple to remember, very easy to remember. Maqha. Now the next Arabic word is equally very easy. In fact, most of the time we start Arabic lessons with this word, rajul. What is rajul in Arabic? Man. هذا رجل, we say, this is a man. هذه امرأة, this is a woman. هذا رجل, this is a man. Okay. رجل, را جيم لام. رجل means man. Now the next word is imra'a. And imra'a means women. Women in Arabic is imra. You can practice it, okay? Imra. Now the next Arabic word that you are going to learn is very much related to it, ibn. Ibn is son. Ibni, my son. Bunayya, we say in Arabic, Bunayya, Bunayya, oh my son, oh my son. Ibn, Ibn is son. Ibni, my son. So Ibn. Ibn, Alif, Ba, Noon. Very few Arabic alphabets, only 3. Very common. Alif, Ba, Noon. You can easily write it even. Alif, Ba, Noon. Ibn. Ibn is son. Similarly, another word is bint. 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 Ba, Noon, Ta. Bint. Bint is daughter. In Arabic, bint is daughter. Daughter. Now the next Arabic word is abun. Abu. Abun. Abun. Al-abu or abu. What is abu? Hamza, ba, very small word, but it has meaning, and meaning is father. Father in Arabic is abu. 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 Next Arabic word is and means mother. Mother. Mother in Arabic is Ummi, my mother. Abi, my father. Ya Abi, oh my father. Ya Ummi, oh my mother. Okay, so you can see it. Easily you can remember even expression. Though I am not focusing at this stage on expressions, you need to memorize only words. But still, if you want, you can learn this. Ya Abi, Ya Ummi, because it's very simple. In fact, Ya Abi, oh my father. Ya Ummi, oh my mother. Very simple to memorize. Now the next Arabic word is akh. Akh. Akh is brother. Akh, brother. Ya akhi, oh my brother. Ya akhi, oh my brother. Okay. Akhi, my brother. Akh, brother. Okay. Next Arabic word that you are going to learn is ukht. 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 And ukht means sister. It's it's not very difficult. If you are able to find the pattern, you will certainly form your own simple sentences with the help of these words. That is why I am focusing on the word, because once you have got the word, you can certainly have simple common expressions with the help of, you can form your own, but not at this stage, of course. Later on, when we will teach you how to form simple sentences, how to speak Arabic language, how to communicate in this language, then certainly you will be able to do it. But not at this stage, of course. I am not expecting you to do it. I just hope you are able to learn these common Arabic words. That's all. And it's not very difficult, as you see it. All these are very common Arabic words, and with slight effort you can learn it. Now the next Arabic word is zawj. Try to say it several times with me. Zawj, zawj, zawj. It's not jeen. First one is za, then waw, then jeen. So pronunciation of za and jeen differs. Za and jeen. So zawj, zawj, zawj is husband. Sometimes for wife and husband both is zawj, but here meaning is husband. Zawj, husband. Zawj is spouse also. Zawj, spouse. Zawj, husband. Now the next word is zawja. 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 Zawj is husband. Zawja is wife. Wife. Zawj, zawja. Again you can say ya zawji. Zawji, my husband. Ya zawji. Ya zawjati, oh my wife. Okay. So in this way you can start communicating with the help of these Arabic words that you are learning. Dear learners, you have learned so many common Arabic words, and the word now I am teaching you is Sadiq. 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 Sadiq means friend. Sadiq, friend. Friend. Sadiqi, my friend. Ya Sadiqi, oh my friend. Oh my friend. Ya Sadiqi. So you can even use this word. Sadiq, which means friend. Friend. Starting with Swad and ending with Qaf. And you have to practice this Swad. Sadiq. Swad, Qaf. Sadiq. 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 Try to practice it as much as you can. Sadiq. Now the next word is Qamis. Qamis. Again, a little bit difficult to pronounce. Qaf and Swad. Starting with Qaf, ending with Swad. Qamis. 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 What's Qamis? This is Qamis. Shirt. Shirt. Has a Qamis. Has a Qamis. Has a Qamis. This is t-shirt. This is shirt. Shirt. Qamisi, my shirt. Qamis. So Qamis is shirt. Next is Arabic word Mantulun. Not very difficult to memorize. Bantulun. 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 What in English you call pantaloon. Pantaloon. This part, pantaloon. That is pantaloon. Pantaloon. Pantaloon in Arabic. Pantaloon. Pantaloon is pantaloon. Pantaloon. So very easy. Pantaloon. You can easily remember this word. You can. Now a few Arabic words from nature. Of course, who can ignore it? Nature is all important, and we cannot afford to ignore it. Everything, we are surrounded by it. So the next word, important Arabic word, is Shams. 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 And what is the meaning of Shams? It's sun. Sun, S-U-N, sun. Sun. Sun is Shams. In Arabic, Shams. Now, another Arabic word related to this is Qamar. 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 And Qamar is moon. Moon. So you've got two important Arabic words. Shams, Qamar. Or with Alif Lam if you want to say Ash-Shamsu wal-Qamar. Ash-Shamsu wal-Qamaru. The sun and the moon. The sun and the moon. Shams wa Qamar. Sun and moon. Okay. Now next Arabic word again, from nature. Ard. 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 And the meaning of Ard is earth. Earth. Earth that you see around you. Okay. Earth. Earth. So Shams, Qamar, Ard. You are able to memorize all these. I am sure you are able to memorize Shams, Qamar, Ard. Now the next word from the same family you can say is Sama. 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 And what is the meaning of Sama? Sama means sky. 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 Sky is Sama. Sama. So 4 important Arabic words you have got. In fact, all are from nature and related to important, natural things. Shams, just try to say with me. Shams, Qamar, Ard, Sama. Shams, Qamar, Ard, Sama. Now all these, remember all these 4 words and use these words as much as you can. Dear learners, in these Arabic lectures, you are learning some very important Arabic words. You may ask why I am focusing on Arabic words. Why not grammar? Why not I am starting with alphabets? In fact, grammar is very important for language learning. So are alphabets. But I am trying to make these lectures as interesting for you as possible. The idea is to help you to start with common Arabic words. In the previous lectures, I have given you so many, even 100, almost 100 Arabic words which you already know. Many of you who know Arabic, who know Urdu and Hindi languages use those Arabic words. Now I am giving you some of those Arabic words which you are not familiar with. But with little effort you can memorize these Arabic words. So why I am focusing on words? In the beginning, the idea is to help you communicate, because communication in any other language, you need words. Words are the first step. They help you to start your communication. You will form sentences, you will take the help of grammar, you will speak correct Arabic, but in later stages. Here, my intention is to help you start speaking the language. And how can you do this? You can do this through the help of common Arabic words. For example, if you know a word shy, or qahwa. Shy, if you know, for tea in Arabic the word is shy, and you visit a restaurant and you want to have a cup of tea, you just say shy, and the person will certainly, waiter will give you tea, not coffee. So here you are able to serve your purpose, at least survival level. At least you are able to have survival level of the language. You are able to communicate what you want, or at least listen from other side what they want. So this is very important. Words are really very important. That's why I am focusing a lot on these words. I am starting with it, and in the later lectures you will find a large number of common simple sentences as well, which will help you communicate. But not now. At this stage, my effort is to help you learn the language, enjoy the language. So come on, let's start again with common Arabic words.